How to see hidden information on Facebook Marketplace. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can how you can see hidden information on Facebook Marketplace. How can you see hidden information on Facebook Marketplace? The first thing to do is to log in into your Facebook account and open up your marketplace, just like I have done here. And then once you've opened up your marketplace, select the products which information you want to see. In this tutorial, I'll be selecting this mini bag product. So once you selected it, by the right side of the screen, you'll see quite a number of info about the product, but this is not all, right? You cannot see everything you need on this page. So how do you see all of the things that you need on this page? You can see it by moving to the top part of the screen, that is in the address bar of the page, and then you would click on it. Once you click on it, convert this web to M. Right, I click on enter. This is to make Facebook on your web browser look like the Facebook on your mobile phone. Okay, so once it looks like the Facebook on your mobile phone, you'll be able to view all of the information that you could not view before. Okay, so all you need now is to scroll down. And then you would see that you can view more information. Now, you can notice that the settings of the products display has been changed, unlike before. And then by the right side of the screen, you can see sellers details, right? Just go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to the seller's profile, and here you can see more information that you could not see before. So this is how you can see hidden information on Facebook Marketplace. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.